Hello and good afternoon. Welcome. Siya nga pala, ang ating topic ngayon ay yung pag-install dito sa exhaust fan na sa roof.
Hi, this is your Yuyo Sam. Welcome to my channel. To all subscribers and non-subscribers, you are very much welcome. And if you have any comment, just go to the comment section of my channel. And thank you very much. Come on, let's go. Let's bolt.
Step by step. So ito na ngayon ang kanilang kailangan, yung tool, hammer, riveters, rivets, at saka pliers, scissors, drill, at dull chisel, at base plate, housing, at saka yung exhaust fan. Yung base plate ay kasing kulay rin ng roof, pati yung housing, ganun din ang kulay para hindi sila magkaiba, mas maigi na uniform ang kulay para mas maganda tingnan. Ipakita ko sa inyo kung paano nila ini-install ang exhaust fan. Siya ka pala, bago ang lahat, ako muna ay magpasalamat sa aking mga masugid na taga-subaybay at taga-panood ng aking YouTube channel, subscriber and my avid watchers, avid viewers and silent viewers too. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. So halik kayo, samahan niyo ako at ipakita ko sa inyo kung paano ang pag-install ng exhaust fan in step by step. Let's get started!
Ay, ka mahulugan. Hawa, ada. Kasih.
Tell me about the people that you
taas.
Uy. Kabarin ako.
O, yung kisa tinod.
This is your Yuyo Sam. See you on my next vlog and God bless us all. Bye bye.